All right, so we are going to be looking at mixed numbers and improper fractions here. A mixed number is a number with a whole number and a fraction next to it, like 3 and 1/4 is a mixed number. An improper fraction would look like a numerator that is bigger than its denominator. So 12/5 would be an improper fraction, okay? I'm going to talk about how to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction and how to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number. On your calculators, you can use the second green button and then hit that ABC button to switch back and forth between these two things. But at least you'll know the technique as well. So if we're going from 3 and 1/4 and we're trying to find the improper fraction, here's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to take the whole number, which is 3, and multiply by the denominator, which is 4. I'm going to multiply by 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. And then I'm going to add the numerator. Plus 1 is my numerator, and that equals 13. Now what I just did was I created the numerator for my improper fraction. When I multiply my whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator, I'm creating my new numerator for my improper fraction. So now my improper fraction is going to have 13 on top. The number that goes on bottom will match the fraction in my mixed number. So I'm still going to have a 4 in the bottom, and that is my improper fraction. So if you were to type 13 divided by 4 in your calculator, which is the same thing as 13 over 4, you would get 3 and 1/4 as your answer. And then you can change 3 and 1/4 to an improper fraction again by hitting second and that ABC function on your calculator. Okay, so let's look at 12/5. 12/5 is an improper fraction. How do we get an improper fraction into a mixed number? Well, we would have to use long division if we were doing it by hand. So we'd have 12 divided by 5. Now, 5 goes into 12 2 times. So 5 times 2, that's equal to 10. 12 minus 10 equals 2. So that means I have 2 wholes, 2 5s going into 12. So 2 wholes is my big number here. Now, whatever number I get in my subtraction will be my numerator in my fraction. And then that's going to be over 5. So I have 2 and 2/5 as my mixed number. And this is equivalent to 12/5. So if you were to type 12 divided by 5 in your calculator, you're going to get 2 and 2/5 like this.